If you love to take landscape, travel, and wildlife photos, then I can help you create better images. The reality of photographing these subjects is that most of the work to get the finished image happens later in the computer. As wonderful as our digital cameras are today, when you try to shoot a high contrast scene, the results on the back of your camera often look terrible, even if you did everything right. I'm Joe Brady, full-time professional photographer, videographer, teacher, and author of the new photography book, Better Landscapes. And I'm inviting you to join me for a series of live tutorials that will take you step by step through image processing using both Lightroom and Photoshop. Each class will improve your image processing skills, help you understand how to approach an image edit, and show how to add impact and shape to your photographs. From beginner to experienced user, everyone will find easy ways to improve their photos as we take dull raw files and shape them into the beautiful scenes that made us stop to take the picture in the first place. There are 4 separate classes, 2 focused on Lightroom and 2 focused on Photoshop. These live classes run for 2 hours, but I will stay around after each class to answer your questions. We will also have a live chat room that is monitored throughout the class, and I will add some of your questions to the discussion as the edits are taking place. Each class is just $49. For $10 more, you'll receive a video of the session so that you can review the information and techniques covered whenever you want. If you sign up for all 4 classes, the video downloads for all of the classes are free. So join me for 1, 2, 3, or all 4 sessions, and I will show you not only the workflow and the tools, but the thought process on what each shot needs and how to make it a better photograph. All the information you need to sign up is right here below in the comments section, so click on the link, reserve your spot, and I will look forward to seeing you live online.